If you had 10 fishes in a pond and 2 dies, how many fishes are still in the pond? 10 fishes still. What were the dies originally for? 10? Depends on if you take them out or not. You probably should, because rotting fish can cause ammonia spikes in your pond. If you take them out, 8, but if not, then 10. No fishes died. There were 10 fishes and 2 dies. It's a tricky question. As many people uses a smartphone and writes with errors, he knew the first reaction would be thinking 2 fishes died, but actually he was saying there were
As many people uses a smartphone and writes with errors,
10 fishes, thus 2 dies, cutting tools. There is 24 fish in a tank. If 5 die, 7 drown, and 3 run away, how many are left in the tank? 24. It didn't say anything about dead or drowned, also dead, being removed from tank. Also, like they say, you can only run so far, which would be the sides, top, or bottom of the tank. You are still in the tank. Love your answer, but there are, not there is, 24 fish in the tank. There are 10 fishes in a tank. 4 drowned, 2 swam away, and 4 died. How many are left? Based on the poor formation of the question, there is no way of knowing. There could be multiple outcomes. For example, we don't know if the dead fish and the drowned fish are the same ones. It's unclear how 2 could swim away from a tank, and we don't have a definition of what it means to be left. Does it mean survivors located anywhere? Does it only refer to live fish actually in the tank? If 4 die, the carcasses still float in the tank and are definitely left. Or are we just trying to do simple arithmetic here? 10 take 4 take 2 take 4 equals 0. Sometimes there is more to a question than might first appear. The answer is blowing in the wind, in the tank. Remember that the 10 fishes are in the tank. Regardless of what happened to them, even if they called themselves Donald Trump, they are not going anywhere. There will always be 10 fish in the tank, unless they reproduced, and that information is not provided. It specifically says that 2 swam away, but they can't swim out of the tank. The question states that they did, in fact, swim away, and this went on for quite some time. If 10 fishes are in a tank, 5 dies, 3 thrown, 2 swim away, how many fishes are left in the tank? This is a poorly worded question. If 3 thrown means thrown out of the tank, then 10 take 3 is 7. Of those 7, 5 are dead, which leaves 2 alive, thus the 5 that are dead and decaying at the bottom of the tank. Perhaps the corpses were eaten by the 2 remaining fish. Now comes the real problem. The 2 remaining fish swam away. Where did they swim to in a tank? Away remains within the tank, so they are still there. So the answer is that there are still 2 fish left in the tank. But of course if the dead fish did not decay out of existence or get eaten, then there are 2 swimming fish trying to escape this hell of a tank and 5 dead fish, either floating over the surface of the water or resting on the bottom of the tank. Or perhaps 5 dies, 3 thrown means that of the 5 dead fish, 3 were taken out and 2 corpses are still in the tank. So we have 2 corpses in the tank, 3 dead fish tossed out onto the floor, 2 that swam away by jumping out to join the 3 dead fish. That means that 3 fish are swimming around in the tank and thinking about eating the 2 dead fish. Then, the toxic environment in the tank killed the 3 swimming fish and all the water evaporated. These do not take up any more hobbies that involve the care for living creatures. There were 10 fish in a fish tank. 2 of the fish drowned. 3 fish swam away. How many fish were then left in the fish tank? Answer: no fish are left in the tank. 2 of the fish drowned. What happened? Fish, like humans, need oxygen. They get it from water containing dissolved air. Fish have gills instead of lungs. So when a fish drowns, it cannot breathe air just like a person drowns in water, where the lungs are incapable of extracting air from water. Gills are suited for breathing in water. Similarly, a fish is said to drown in air for the same reason of failing to breathe in that environment. Very likely the fish stayed broke for whatever reason, spilling water and fish on the floor. Further clues pointing to this scenario is the past tense. There were 10 fish, and 3 fish swam away. Fish in the tank cannot swim away. As for the remaining 5 fish, they are neither dead nor were able to swim in the absence of water. In any event, the fish tank contains no more fish at this time. If Lucy had 6 fish and 2 drowned, how many fish does Lucy have? None. You said she had the fish, as in the past. Spell her name Lucy. A tank has 7 fishes. 3 of the fishes died and 2 of the fishes drowned. How many fishes are left? There is obviously 5 fishes. It is because 2 fishes are drowned and 3 are died. Here, 2 are live fishes and 3 died fish are on the tank, since 2 are drowned among 7 from the tank. Obviously, Isn't it? If there are 10 fishes in a pond and 3 dies, how many are left? As the text says 3 dies and not 3 die, this means that 3 is the name of one of the 10 fish. This means that 9 fish remain.